Fire and life safety management is about being prepared to handle emergencies. Think about it. If a fire started right now, would you know what to do? Fire and life safety management is all about planning and practice to prevent fire, save life, and reduce damage. It's like a seatbelt to your buildings. You might not need it until it happens.
Let's go through the proper use of hose reel. This is a vital sign to tackling fire. You know how to use it means you can save life and property.
Before using the hose reel, you need to ensure it's ready for action. First thing first, check the hose reel cabinet or enclosure for visibility and easy access. Ensure there are no obstructions. Don't forget to inspect the hose for any visible damage like cracks. Don't forget to check the water supply valve is functional and that the reel runs smoothly. Don't forget to check the nozzle to ensure it clean and free of debris. Now, let's walk through the steps to use a fire hose reel during a fire incident. The first one is turn on the water supply. Find the water valve located near the hose reel and turn it on fully to release water into the hose. Unwind the hose. Pull the hose out of the reel while walking toward the fire. Ensure the hose remains untangled and has enough length to reach the fire. The last one is aim and spray water. Grip the nozzle firmly and aim it at the base of the fire. That is where the flames are fueled. Twist the nozzle to start the water flow and adjust the spray as needed, typically from a jet stream to a wide spray. Sweep the nozzle from side to side to cover the entire base of the fire effectively.
Hi everyone, so today we'll be presenting about firefighting treatment. So here's the fire extinguisher.
First of all, how many types of fire extinguisher do you know? There are 5 types of fire extinguisher, which are water, foam, dry powder, wet chemical, and carbon dioxide.
Dry powder is commonly used in building due to the function of put out the fire caused by electrical equipment. Fire extinguisher must have expiry date and maintenance record like you see in these pictures. Do you know how to use a fire extinguisher? Past method will be used in operating it. Firstly, we will pull the pin to release the locking mechanism. Then, aim the nozzle to the base of the fire. Squeeze the handle. Lastly, sweep the nozzle side to side until the fire is out.
Have you ever spent too much time out in the sun and forgot to apply sunblock? Scalded your arm after touching a hot pan or spilled coffee on yourself accidentally? The severity of burns are categorized into first, second, and third degrees. For minor burns, which is first or second lower degree, this is treatable at home, while others have to be treated in a medical facility. Directly after receiving a burn, place the affected area under cool water for 10 to 15 minutes or until the pain eases. This is to stop the burn from spreading to the surrounding area. Remove items such as rings or tight jewelry from the affected area. Do this before the swelling starts. Apply a thin layer of aloe vera lotion on the burnt area to help soothe the pain and promote healing. Make sure the affected area is kept clean and dry to prevent infection. If the burn has an open wound, clean and dress the wound like how you would for a small cut or abrasion. Do not apply butter or ice on the wound, as it might set the affected area up for frostbites or infections. This video is a guide for basic first aid. If you are unsure about what to do, visit your nearest medical facility immediately.
Sitting in the toilet during the alarm. One of the most dangerous things you can do is ignore the fire alarm. Sometimes people assume it is just a drill or a false alert and carry on with their activities like chatting in the toilet or continuing work. Remember, every second matters in a fire emergency. Ignoring the alarm could put you in a grave alarm sounds. When you hear the fire alarm, don't hesitate or wait to see what others are doing. Act immediately but remain composed. Remember, alarms are there for your safety and should never be ignored. Use designated fire escape route. Every building has clearly marked fire escape routes. These are designated to lead you to safety in the fastest and safest way possible. Avoid taking shortcuts as they may lead to dead ends or unsafe areas. Wait for further instructions. At the assembly point, follow the instructions of emergency personnel. They will provide updates and let you know when it is safe to re-enter the building or if further action are needed. Staying with your group ensure everyone is accounted for. Gather at the designated assembly point. Once you exit the building, head straight to the designated assembly point. This is a safe location away from the building where everyone can be accounted for. Never go back into the building even if you think you forgot something.